Introducing the ultimate guide to spot stain cleaning for your sofa and clothing. Whether it's a spill or a stubborn mark, we've got you covered. Hello everyone! Do you struggle with removing stains that linger on your sofa and carpets because you can't wash them? And when you do try, the steps that Google suggests, they don't work for you either. So what to do? Let's dive right in. Well, in this video, we will show you how to professionally remove stains from your carpets and sofas. Step 1. Act fast. The sooner you address the stain, the better your chances of removing it completely. Step 2. Scrape off the excess residue gently with something like a spoon or something that can hold the excess residue from spreading to other parts. Step 3. Blot. Don't rub. Step 4. Apply the spotting agent. Before we start, make sure to wear proper PPE such as gloves. Apply a small amount of your chosen cleaning solution to the stain. Leave the agent to react for 5 to 10 minutes and start blotting with a clean white paper towel. Step number 5. If the stain persists, agitate the spot and repeat step 4. And gently blot again. Let the white paper towel absorb those dissolved residues until the stain disappears. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a short video demonstration on how you tackle stubborn stains on your clothing, sofas and other form of fabrics. Now, if you'd like to learn more in depth, do visit us at our website at www.orapiasia.com. My name is Shah, your professional hygiene expert, signing off.